That's how much I love my truck. 4th wash in 6 days. 1 wash per day every month for $22.95. Single car wash 1 day, $18.95. Duh. I think I'll go for the once every day. Wait till we get up to the bubbles. So this is the pre-wash to the pre-wash. The automatic pre-wash to the manual pre-wash. Look, nobody there. Oh, all of a sudden, these poor guys and gals out here. Minimum wage, pre-squirting to the wash after the pre-wash. And there's a gal here on the left you can't see. She's doing her thing. Guy over here going pull forward, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward. Tiny bubbles, tiny bubbles. Here we go, tiny bubbles. Here come the bubbles, the bubbles. Tiny bubbles. Revitalizer. Oh, gotta get the truck wash. All right. February 18th. 1:45. Ah! I know. It's not that dramatic, really, folks. But it is kind of cool. Look at all the colors. They make it interesting for kids. I know. More soap. More scrubbing. Ah! Look at that. Now the underwash. Rain X. You can't beat this. Flash drive. Flash dry. Moving along, and then you can actually have them towel drying if you want. I'm going like, no, I'll just go down the road. That's it. Tiny bubbles. Okay, air dry. That was fun.